The peels off the Bud Light label just might run the pool table. Roll your eyes if I call you an angel. Ain't you one of them girls? Ask you to dance, you say no, just to see how far I'll go. Your song comes on and your eyes close, that's when I know, yeah. You got your heart on lockdown, got a wall I gotta knock down. Kinda wanna do a shot now, come on now. And you one of them girls that ain't trying to meet nobody, you're just here for the party. If I'm wrong, then stop me. You're one of them girls that ain't handing out your number. You like to make us want you, you like to make us wonder if you're one of them girls. Cause I'm one of them boys who trade his whole world, yeah, for one of them girls who likes to act all quiet, sexy, not even trying. Yeah, you know I ain't lying. Damn right, you're one of them girls broke every heart in your hometown. On the day you rolled out, got them all wishing on stars now. Have I found one of them girls that ain't trying to meet nobody, you're just here for the party. If I'm wrong, then stop me. You're one of them girls that ain't handing out your number. You like to make us want you, you like to make us wonder if you're one of them girls. Well, I'm one of them boys who trade his whole world, yeah, for one of them girls. You're one of them girls I wanna put my lips on, hold all night long, write a little love song. For one of them girls that ain't trying to meet nobody, you're just here for the party. If I'm wrong, then stop me. Yeah, you're one of them girls that ain't handing out your number. You like to make us want you, you like to make us wonder if you're one of them girls. Well, I'm one of them boys who trade his whole world for one of them girls. One of them girls.
Hi there, how are you? Today we are doing the This Makes Me Wonder. 48 counts for wall intermediate. The two restarts happen to 1, 3, and 5, both after count 32. Now the dance. First section, weights on the left, start with your right. Walk, walk, kick, out, out, together, cross. And I have to bounce once, coaster step. Next section, together, walk, walk, mambo step, back swerve, behind, side, cross. Next section, side together, cross, back quarter, forward half, step forward, forward together, back, coaster step. Next section, step, half step, quarter following, cross side, back, 7:30, back side forward, 6 o'clock, forward shuffle. Next section, sway, sway, behind side cross, sway, sway, behind quarter forward. Last section, mambo step, back lock back, touch and wind, full turn, side mambo. Now the count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wall Street is when we start after count 32. Now Wall Street. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and then we start at 12 o'clock. Wall 5 starts at 9 o'clock. Also we start at 32. Now wall 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and then we start at 3 o'clock. So this is the whole dance of tonight, okay? And we'll see you next time.